Are you using Ibadan electricity and you are thinking of how to locate your band, or you are thinking that how much hours of electricity can you get on your band? Well, in this video, I will help you on how much electricity you'll be getting on your band and how to locate your band. Please, this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this page because this video will help you a lot, and share it to your friends. First, I'll be teaching you how much hours of electricity you'll be getting on your band, and also how to locate your band details on Ibadan electricity portal. Please make sure you subscribe to this page now. Click on the subscribe button below this video so that you can subscribe. And in case you have any comment, leave it in the comment section. Now let's proceed. You see, your prepaid meter band determines the total hours of light you'll be having every day. So this you are seeing on the screen is the total number of hours that you'll be having electricity per band. We have from band A, band B, band C, D, and E. Now let's take the first one, band A. When you are in band A electricity, it means that you'll be getting at least 20 hours of electricity. Yes, that's very much. If you are in band B, you'll be getting 60 hours of electricity. If you are in band C, you'll be getting 12 hours of electricity. And if you are in band B, you'll be getting at least 8 hours of electricity. Lastly, if you are in band E, you'll be getting just 4 hours of electricity. So you can see, now these bands are shared into different location, and you can find it on Ibadan portal. Just search for it and look at the band you are. Now next is we want to proceed on how you can locate your band, and it is very simple to locate it. All you need is your meter number or your account number to locate your meter band on Ibadan Electricity Distribution Company. So I'm sure you are ready to get started to see your meter info. But before we proceed, please subscribe to this YouTube page now. Click on that subscribe button below and subscribe, and make sure you share this video because it will help everybody in Ibadan. Now let's proceed on how you can get your band information on Ibadan Electricity Portal. To get started, go to your browser and type how to get my band on IBEDC. So once you type it on Google, then it will bring out this page, customer feeder info. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to this portal. This is Ibadan portal. So you see customer feeder info. You read the information there. You'll be required to input your meter number or your account number. So if you are using a postpaid, you will use your account number, but if you are using prepaid, you will use your meter number. So what you have to do is to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see where you will input your meter number. Please make sure you subscribe to this page, subscribe to this YouTube, because this video will be very helpful to you. Now in that page, that is where you will input your meter number or your account number, and you click on get info. Once you enter your meter number, enter it correctly and click on get info. The system will roll and it will bring out your info. After it's fetching it, this is it. So it will bring it out. This is the meter info correctly. Then it will bring out your service band. Now this particular person is on band A. This person is on band A. So take note, if you put your own will show any other. It can show band A, band B, band C, or any other band. But this place we give you the correct meter band of where you are. So I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to this page and go and check your meter band. Go and check it very well. Go and check it very well. In case you did not get it, come back to this video and put it in the comment section so that we can assist you. I'm sure this video has been very helpful to you. Please support us by following this page. Click on the subscribe button. I know you are here to subscribe. Please subscribe now. Subscribe to this page now. Subscribe by helping us. Now I know the question will be like, how can you pay your electricity bill? Do you know you can pay your electricity bills right on this platform? Yes, look at the site Jumiabot.com. Just search for it on Google, or you go to Play Store and search for Jumiabot. Download the app and you can pay your electricity bill conveniently without any wahala. And guess what? We have 24 hours customer service. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link showing on your screen, or you go to the comment section. We have pinned all the links you need, either the link to check your feeder information, that is your band, or the link to pay your bills. We have pinned we have pinned the link in the comment section. Click on it and make use of it. Don't forget to subscribe to this page. See you in our next video.